Yeah, my name is Ray. I'm here studying at the TMCC Automotive program, and my story started here. About 2022, I contracted the coronavirus, and it was really bad. It was horrible for me. A bunch of things happened. Lost my job, my truck broke down, and I was sick. So I remember looking at my truck thinking, wow, I can't fix that thing. So that's what slingshot me into going into the automotive. When I was sick in bed, I prayed and I said, you know what, Lord, if you help me get through this, I'll go back to school. So then I just enrolled and I knocked out the GED, got that. There was another program, the Sandy Grant, and the Sandy Grant was amazing. If it wasn't for that Sandy Grant, I honestly don't think I would have quit, but I would have slowed down. I would have slowed down. So then that made me go even more harder into this TMCC Automotive program, this education that I wanted to pursue. So it was just amazing. Everything fell into place, the stars aligned for me, and now we're here. So if anybody out there is listening that really wants to pursue something, you can do it. You can do it. I know you can, because I did it. Opportunity awaits you guys.